Hi everybody and welcome back to Hex Token. Here we are folks, hex.com. Let's go. And of course here we are, day 835, 16th of March 2020, and we've got a price of 11.5 cents, up 9.3%, pretty good. We've got the return on investment multiplier from all-time low. There's 2045x, that excludes staking. We've got incredibly good Hex payout per T-share, 6.429. And the T-share rate, 2,436. And the share rate is up 5.9 to almost 1,100. Nice. Average stake length is 6.35 years. And the APY, inflation and early in-state penalties, 40.64%. We've got the pool with 175.4 million Hex in it, 16.9 million US dollars, and 1,900 in ETH. Obviously, this looks like it's been reduced by liquidity providers. That should help the price move up a lot easier. So that's a big change there. It's going to allow on an uptrend the price to move up a lot stronger there. So very, very cool. All right, total valuation 7.14 billion and a market cap of 66.65 billion. T-share market cap 26 billion. And we've got T-shares there at 5,500 decrease, but we're still over 10.7 million. Let's have a look at the supply numbers. And of course, 639 billion total supply of Hex and 19.6 million in inflation. We've got circulating supply down 12 million. That's a good thing. And we're still at 577.2 billion. The staking numbers, of course, up 31.7 million. That's great. And of course, we're at 61.8 billion staked. Very cool. GA numbers up 23.3 million. That's quite a bit. And of course, we've got stake percentage of coins 9.68%, up slightly. That's pretty nice. And the Hex payout 68.8 million Hex. Now the big story of the day, of course, is penalties. 10.3 million of good accounting. Very, very nice. And let's have a look at the supply numbers there. Up for 555. That's pretty cool. To 435,553. Current stake is up 373 to 87,377. Total stake is up 394 to 109,709. And finally, current holders up 189 to 286, 288. Some really nice growth there, as well as these awesome penalties. Very, very cool. Let's go over the Hex price in real time. Here it is, a nice little rally. Let's do a little update here. So from the bottom here, we were tinkering down at 10.1 cents. We got good news about Pulse Chain Testnet 2B coming out. And of course, we've had a nice little rally up 17.5%. So pretty nice. And we're currently up 14.24%. So very, very cool. Obviously, we want to head towards that 12%. So let's do the daily chart and see where we're looking from there. This is the hourly chart. So we'll just wait for the daily chart there. We're going to zoom in on the full structure. And you can see us making a nice little green move there. So if we zoom in on that, we can see that we had a nice, it's almost a dragonfly there. And of course, we had a green candle here that's positive for an uptrend, just like we had here. Very, very cool. We shouldn't have any issue with the Hedron probably, although Hedron is also on the move up there. So very, very cool. Looks like we're going to break out. We've got another chance of breaking out of this downward trend. We only have a couple of days left, so looking forward to that. Let's get to Hedron. Hedron has been doing perfectly, pretty close to my projections all the time. So probably at about a 90% accuracy on the projection. So very, very cool, maybe even higher. But really, really cool. Bounced off the support area that I expected. And of course, heading up towards 5,000 is kind of the next target there. Very, very cool. All right, let's have a look over here on the T-shares. $2,430 for T-share. Good DCA period at the moment for T-shares. Adoption up and to the right. Really good growth yet. And we haven't even got Pulse Chain yet. So amazing. T-share rate up and to the right, 21,100. Hex payouts, amazing, especially with the penalty today. And of course, let's have a look at the global stakes over the next 15 years. We're going to zoom on the 11 months. And of course, here we are. We've got 134,000 T-shares coming out before the end of March. And we've got 366,000 by the end of April. Still got the earliest date for Pulse Chain launch at the 15th of April. So hopefully it will launch sometime in April there. Cool. And the whale bot there, very, very cool. All these got accounting penalties, 3 million, 3 million, 3 of those. So got 10 million there. We had some really nice stakes here for 10 years. Very, very cool. Hope you enjoyed that. Feel free to join in for the live show in a couple of hours' time. And subscribe, like, share, hit the bell, and I'll catch you then. Bye for now.